Unboxing, the M708 upgraded graphics drawing tablet. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel EasyMediaTV. Today I'll be unboxing the super affordable graphics drawing tablet, so I'm very curious to try this out for myself. Yeah, they seem to be quite happy with this. So, here we are. This is the M708 graphics tablet by UG. It comes in a simple black box packaging. The back contains pretty much all you need to know about this graphics tablet. "10 inches by 6 inches large active area allows you to do digital creation, such as paint, edit, draw, sign, write, with wide and fluid strokes and natural movement. Upgraded 8192 pressure sensitivity level, 4 times sensitive than 2048, so you can draw more accurate and more delicate lines. Upgraded 266 RPS report rate, much faster than the original 233 RPS, guarantee no delay, seamless and efficient drawing experience. Upgraded battery-free passive pen, no need for charging or replacing battery, super convenient. Click the pen button to switch it between drawer and eraser function, comes with a pen holder, 8 refills and 1 refill remover. Customizable shortcut keys give you complete control over your tablet, and the tablet can be rotated for left-handed people. Wide system compatibility, suit for Windows, XP, Vista 7, 8, 10 and for Mac OS 10.8 or above. Download driver, web links. Support for Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Lightroom, Corel Painter, Autodesk Maya, Pixelogic, ZBrush and etc. drawing software. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon to get you notified for more videos. If you guys have question, please comment below, like and share. Thank you for watching, see you in my next video.